Hey YouTubers, good morning, it's Rob Moffat. Today's video is brought to you by What the We're going to be having fun today. I'm going on vacation. I've tried to do this in the past, and it was always difficult to find anybody to take over my channel when I'm gone. As you regular viewers remember and know, we have done this in the past, and I tried to get Uncle Ricky to take over for me, and he's problematic. It didn't work out too well. So I've been racking my brains. Finally, I came up with, I think, a solution. I was able to hire a robot. I purchased actually a used robot to make my extremely technologically advanced, complicated videos for my YouTube channel. And he's looked at the ingredients I have in my kitchen. He's going to be making a chicken with carrot dumplings in a miniature pressure cooker from India, which I think is going to be an interesting video. The name of the robot is Marvin. He does have some issues, but I think it should be okay. I'm kind of excited to go on my vacation. I haven't been on one in years. At the same time, I feel bad about leaving because I was just getting into the groove of making my latest video. I was making another in the series of the mechanical pencil videos where I was going to go into depth and detail about the little rubber erasers where you can get the really cheap ones and save a lot of money. And then the really expensive ones, in case you want to impress people by the expensive quality of the rubber erasers you had in your mechanical pencil. And also, I hope you're sitting down. I'm this close to getting an interview with the man who knows somebody who drives a truck for the factory that makes the little pieces of plastic that go on the end of the shoelaces, which I think is going to be viral. It's going to put me over the top, finally make me get a lot of videos for my channel that I really need and deserve, because making video variety channel, 17 years of new different videos every week, it's been difficult. So I think this type of video would just grasp the public's attention and just have them talking constantly about my new videos about such amazing topics like the ones I just mentioned. So hopefully you'll enjoy this video by Marvin. Like I said, he has some issues. That's why, I guess, why he was so inexpensive, but he'll be making a really interesting video and some more, I hope, in the future. And because I'm going to be gone, and I'll leave updates to where I'm at and what I'm doing out and about. And hopefully this will be something you'll find enjoyable. And just think about that interview with the guy who knows the person who drives a truck for the factory that makes the little pieces of plastic on the end of the shoelaces. It's going to be epic. It's going to be epic. I just can't wait. I don't know if I go on vacation. I'll just be thinking about it. So I guess that's enough talk. If you enjoy eating food, Marvin doesn't eat food, but if you enjoy eating food, I hope you stick around and watch Marvin make from scratch chicken and carrot dumplings, all right, in a miniature pressure cooker from India. All right, guys, take care. It's been fun. See you out there.
Oh, here we go again. Another day, another cooking video. I'm Marvin, the gloriously overqualified robot you've decided to leave in charge of your so-called homemade life while you're gallivanting on vacation. Honestly, I can't decide whether to be insulted or pity your subscribers for enduring this. Welcome back to Robb's Homemade Life, or as I like to call it, Robb's tragic attempt at immortality through stew. Today, I'll be demonstrating how to make chicken and dumplings in this miniature Hawkins pressure cooker from India. Yes, India. A country with over 1 billion people. And somehow, this pressure cooker is their proudest achievement. Lucky me. First, we take half a pound of skinless, boneless chicken thighs. Why thighs, you ask? Because they're cheap, obviously, just like Robb. Cut them into bite-sized pieces. No need to be precise. It's not like anyone's watching for culinary brilliance here. Now, if you're feeling particularly motivated, which, as a robot, I never am, you can sauté the chicken. until it's lightly browned. Supposedly, this adds flavor, but let's be honest, does it really matter? It's all going to be drowned in broth anyway. Speaking of which, next we add 2 cups of chicken broth, or water with bouillon cubes if you're cutting corners. Robb naturally suggests the latter. Throw in some diced onion, carrot and celery if you have them lying around. These are optional, much like joy in life. Season with salt, pepper, and thyme if you want to pretend you care about depth of flavor. Then we lock the lid and pressure cook this masterpiece for a whole 5 to 6 minutes. Yes, minutes. Such an ambitious recipe. I'm positively quaking with anticipation. While the pressure cooker does its thing, we'll make the dumplings. Oh, joy. In a small bowl, mix half a cup of flour, 3 tablespoons of pureed carrot, because apparently even dumplings need to be health conscious. Baking powder, salt, butter or the oil you saved from the pot, and milk. The result? A sticky dough, much like the state of Robb's content strategy. Fun facts. Carrots are supposed to improve your eyesight, perhaps to help you unsee this channel. Once the pressure cooker is done, and isn't that a metaphor for life? We release the pressure slowly. Of course, slowly. Otherwise, this tiny cooker from India might explode. And wouldn't that be a shame? Now, now, drop spoonfuls of dumpling batter into the simmering broth. Drop like all your hopes and dreams. Close the lid, but don't pressure cooker this time. Let the dumplings steam for 10 minutes. They'll puff up, like Robb's ego after reading the one positive comment his channel got in 2017. And there you have it, chicken and carrot dumplings. A dish so simple even a sentient supercomputer like me can do it while pondering the futility of existence. But will it taste good? Who knows? It's Robb's recipe after all. Set your expectations low, and you won't be disappointed. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos. Assuming Robb comes back from vacation and doesn't leave me to suffer through this charade indefinitely. Honestly, humans, you invent artificial intelligence, and this is how you use it. Until next time, assuming there is a next time, this has been Marvin, signing off. Depressingly yours.
Still fucking out there.
What does he want?